Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to be talking about how to identify the daily bias or the direction of that a particular day. You understand? Many people ask that question a lot because they don't really understand what affects the direction of the market, or to what makes the market goes up or down, or what the market is actually looking for. You understand? So today I'll be talking about that, and if you can watch this video from beginning to end, I'll give you the beginning tips that you need to know. You understand? It's not really all I look out for, but this will go a long way, and this will actually help you in the long run, right? So do well to actually join our Telegram. You understand? Because I discuss and I post all about this there also. You understand? So the link is at the video description below. Okay, so now I'll be going over to my trading view, right? Okay guys, yeah, now I'm on my trading view, right? I'm not really teaching, this is not a beginner aspect or anything. Like, if you actually want to understand what I'm talking about or anything, you can do well to also contact me, right? So on my trading view, I'll use Euro USD, right? So I'll use Euro USD. I already have my analysis on Euro USD here, but I'll actually be using this other provider, Euro USD, because it's a clear chart, right? I've not done anything here, you understand? So now, when you're in a chart like this, what are you seeing? You're seeing what? Price action. It's either we are in a downtrend or we are in an uptrend, right? If you are in a downtrend, you'll be seeing what? Higher lows and you'll be seeing lower lows and higher lows, right? Lower low, this is a lower low, and this is a higher low, right? Lower low, higher low. You understand? Overall, it haven't broken any structure, right? It haven't broken any structure. So that is what you see or use to identify what? A downtrend. Yes. So when the market is on a downtrend, and this is a Euro USD on a daily chart, Euro USD on a daily chart, right? So you can see we are in a clear downtrend. I'm not really using my PC to do this. I'll start using my PC very soon, right? So for now, I'm just using my phone. So you guys just have to manage and understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so clearly you can see we are in a what? Downtrend on Euro USD. This is a daily time frame, but now how to understand the bias and direction overall. Okay, you want to understand the clear picture of what the market is doing, we have to go over what? To the monthly time frame. I believe you all know how to, like, divert to like change time frames, right? So for me, I clicked at this 1D down. I don't really know. Let me show you guys for those that don't really know. So I'll be clicking on this place that says 1D. I'll convert it to monthly. Monthly is 1M, I guess. Yeah. So moving over here, this is weekly and this is monthly. Let me show you guys for those that don't know. This is weekly and this is monthly, right? So from now, I'm going to be going to the monthly time frame. Okay, now this is Euro USD, right? On the monthly time frame. So overall in Euro USD, you can see that Euro USD, this is 2018. This chart started from 2018, but the other one started from 19 something, I guess. But no, nevertheless, it doesn't really matter. Seriously, what you should focus on is the current price action, not really history or anything. You understand? You have to focus on the current price action going to the future. Seriously, that's what you should, because most of the times I see people, they'll go back, they'll tell you 2018 highs, 2018 lows. Believe me, that 2018 highs and 2018 lows wasn't really formed due to the present condition. Okay, like presently now, we see that we have the Russia and the Ukraine war going on, interest rates actually going up. You understand? This didn't actually happen back then, 2018 or 2019 or 1999 highs and lows. So seriously, I don't really believe what I say, using old price action or history to actually determine the present. Although it works sometimes, but overall you should actually focus on the present price action. That is all I'm trying to say, right? That is all I'm trying to say. So now you can see Euro USD formed, pushed up, down, up, down, and it's going lower. So overall, this low has been swept actually. So on the monthly time frame, you can see we are highly bearish on Euro USD. I don't really know. This chart is not giving me much information I need about Euro USD. So it's like I'll switch to that my first Euro USD chart, because that one actually starts from You can see this one is actually starting from where? You can see this one started from 1997. So I believe this has a clear picture, right? So this has a clear picture of Euro USD. I remember I said present matters, but I actually want to show you guys, the full picture of what have been happening in Euro USD overall. So that is why I'm coming back here. So from here, you can see downtrend. This is a liquidity build up, right? Broke down, ranged for a while from 2014 to 2019. It was ranging, broke out, came back to take liquidity, broke out, now back down. So, and remember, looking here also, you see that okay, there's liquidity here, but don't really expect price to go like lower than this, you understand? But it doesn't really matter. The market can do anything, right? The market can do anything it wants. So let's go back to our old chart. Okay, let's go back to our old chart. So coming back here on Euro USD on the monthly, it's the same Euro USD, but it's just that this one is a bit earlier. That one is like longer. Yeah. So coming over to your Euro USD, you can see this was the high of Euro USD, right? This is a high. You understand? So I'll be clicking here to bring out my tool, and the tool I'll be using is called horizontal ray, right? So I'll click here. This horizontal ray, let me show you guys. You can add it as your favorite or your anything. So I'll be bringing out my horizontal ray. So I'll pull out my horizontal ray too. I'll go here and I'll just place it at the high and tap on it. Okay, so this is monthly high. You can just use green for your high, red for your lows, right? Then you can still write it something so that you know why you actually put the line. It's advisable also. For me, I'll save them as a template. If you haven't saved this as template, it's not hard. You just have to learn that. Okay, so if you click on the settings, you click on template. So monthly structural high, right? Monthly structural high. So you can see, because I've saved it as a template, like it's not going to be really much deal for me to actually type and write. You understand? It's not going to be a much deal for me. You understand? Well, if you're starting, it's going to you have to set all these things and keep it so that it'll be easy for you to do your analysis. Okay, so this is the high, right? So this high, you look for its low. Which low actually made this high overall? Or you can see check. You can see high, low, high. You understand? Then this low was taken out, right? Down here. So overall, this was a low that made this high because it hasn't really taken out this low already, and this high also didn't break this. Assuming this high broke this high and came down, right? So is this low that will actually take as our structural low. It's not really hard to identify all these things, but I believe this is clearer at my old analysis, because this chart is not really like will I say, it's not really showing me everything I want to know overall. I want to see. So you can see now, see where I picked up this my low from. Here, the present ones. Okay, that's why I say present. This thing matters. So I'm using the present one. So if I actually want to use it here, although here I'm like going back overall, you understand, because this chart is not actually started from, this one started from 2018, those ones started from 2016, right? So I believe I'll just use this one, although I've done it here already. I don't really know. See, this one started from 2016 or so, but this one was starting from 2018. So me marking out that lows now, it was not really clear, right? Because I'm just seeing from here. All this I'm not seeing. You understand? I'm not seeing from here straight. I don't really know whether marking it is ideal, but let's use this one overall. So you mark out your monthly high, right? So as that same panel, you click here, bring out your horizontal ray to mark out your monthly lows. If you mark out your monthly lows, you can type on it, edit your typing. So this will be your monthly high. Yeah, so if you you mark them out, your monthly high, your monthly low. So you can see, will I say this is a range? The market is actually ranging now. From here, made the high, didn't break it, come back, made a lower high. Okay, this is a downtrend, clear downtrend, because it couldn't break this structure and go higher, right? Made a downtrend, retrace, down now, and it's like it actually broke this previous low. So overall you should be what, bearish, because on a downtrend you should be looking for what, pullbacks that will help you what, enter a sell. You're waiting for the market to go up so that you can actually sell the market lower, unless there is a break of structure and a retrace, then you can now buy higher. So that's just it. You just have to watch and observe. You don't really have to trade the reaction, the action. Okay, you wait for the market to act. You understand? As the market acts, you see the action, then you now what, react. Okay, so from the monthly, you mark out your monthly highs as you seen here, mark out your monthly lows. You drop down to the weekly time frame, right? So going down to the weekly time frame, you zoom out. Sometimes seriously, you don't really have to put much stuff on your chart. You don't really have to line or like put many things on your chart. Before I do that a lot, I line everywhere, psychological level, zones, blah 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 blah. But it's really, it's not like it's useless, but once you keep going forward, you keep reducing all those stuff, you see that there is not, very soon I'll not even have a need to mark out monthly highs and monthly low, because I'm seeing them. Okay, it's clear, everything is clear on the chart here, you understand? You don't really like adding it or putting it in your analysis is cool, you understand, marking it out, but you're actually seeing it, right? So sometimes it's really of no use designing or painting your charts, like, but that is when you have understood everything properly, right? But if you're not, if you're still in the process of understanding the market, adding it or setting it, it's not a problem at all, it's not a problem. So going down to the week route, no need of going back to rule some lines or anything. So this is our high here. You can see the weekly high here. This is a high. Overall, this is a low. You understand? So this was a low also, but like it couldn't break structure, so I'll not have to like add that here. So going down to the weekly, you can see the highs and the lows. Okay. So overall, I have a framework on EU already, you understand, but when I reach the daily and 4 hour time frame, I'll explain better. So going down to the daily, right, you just have to observe what the market is doing overall. Okay, you have to observe what the market is doing. So for people that know the concept of fair value gap, order block, imbalances created and filling, blah blah, that is ICT concept, right? If you also learn that and put it to your strategy, it helps a lot. Okay, because I will say it helped me. Okay, it's not like it's only one course that you have to learn in for it. I learned many things. Okay, so but that one actually helped properly. So with those concepts, if I'm like trying to apply it here, okay, it actually helps a lot. Now I don't really want to go in depth on this video. Yeah, I don't really want to go in depth. I was just going to tell you guys how, like, you know, I don't really want to go in depth, but I want you to focus on this thing. I just want to show you guys something. Focus on this daily candle here now. Let me show you guys this particular daily candle here. You understand? Watch as this daily candle actually took out all these lows, push up high. You understand? Couldn't break this high. Then the next daily candle was dropped down overall. I don't really know. What I'm understanding might not be what you're understanding, because all this game is based on experience. Okay, so I'll just try to break it down for it to be simple. Overall, you have seen that yes, the market came down to the monthly lows, stop funds, took out liquidity, rallied up, couldn't break this weekly high resistance over here. So now, from your own onset, when the market came down here, took out the lows, right? You don't really have to expect it to keep pushing lower or anything when there is no much fundamentals, like well, believe me, fundamentals actually push this market a lot, right? So there is no really major fundamentals that actually will push the market lower to go beyond this. There must be a reaction, even if the market wants to keep going lower, right? These algorithms, right? Algorithm runs this market. You don't really expect price to fall down straight or push up straight, right? You don't really expect that from this market. Okay, you don't really expect that. Yeah. So when the market came down here to a monthly low, you should expect some sort of resistance and support. Some people call it support and resistance. Okay, you can call it anything you love, right? So market came down here, pushed up. Now I don't even expect you to buy this push up. Okay, because overall this push up now couldn't what break structure, right? You understand? And we are in a downtrend. Okay, so for me now, the trade I would have taken sincerely is not this buy. It's not this buy, because I want to wait for the market to act so that I will react. So I will not be taking this buy actually, because I'm watching the market. And believe me, this happened under 3 days, 1 to 3, these daily candles. So due to I'm on a, like, I'm bearish on EU, and I'm not looking for buys, because if I'm looking for buys when the market is bearish, I'm counter trending. You understand? And I don't really like counter trending, although I do it, but I don't really like counter trending. And if you watch closely here, there is a high demand or high supply zone here, or you call it whatever. So I'll definitely wait for the market to push up here so that I can sell, right? So, and as you can see, once the market pushed up to this zone, it actually dropped. And if you check, this is a people, let's say 100 or 200 or 50. Let's calculate anyway, no need of guessing. So I'll be calculating this move, right? This daily down move, right? So I'll bring out my measurement tools from here. Okay, 120 something pip. So on this day, if you can hold this long from I'll not really say morning, because if you check, there'll be consolidation. So let's just say 100 pips trade, right? So it took this sell, would have made like 100 pips or so. You understand? So the next day, the market what? The next day, you watch the market actually what broke structure. This next day broke structure, right? So once the market break a structure, or a daily structure or anything, you don't really want to buy at that zone for it to keep going up. No, you just have to wait for a pullback for it to buy. So as you can see, the market pulled back. So you taking this buy to target weekly highs is a good idea. That is if you could actually hold to them, or actually keep taking profits as the market keeps going up, because taking partials is advised. So you can see this pullback. This could have been a buy entry also for it to buy to the upside. You understand? So I'm just giving an example of how you will view or know your daily bias overall, right? Basically, okay, I will still use the present live market to show you my bias overall. So looking from here, from the daily, right, you can see the market here took out. Once you see this candle, this particular candle here, yeah, this the next day took out the highs and took out the lows, right? So anytime you see a candle that takes out the previous day highs and lows, you understand, just know that a clear direction, like the market is changing trend, right? The market wants to go the other way around. You can call it an engulfing candle or anything, but this was a bullish engulfing candle, but next day it came down, right? So this is our trend. Took liquidity from here, because if you expand further, you see that this is a daily low now. Let me add it. This is a daily low right here. So overall, this is a daily low, because this broke structure, right? So let's just say this is our current low, because this is the high. You understand? This is the high. So this is our current daily low. This tip of this candle is our current daily low, and you're observing it, right? So this current daily low, and where is the current daily high? This is the current, okay, not really the structure, like the current, and this is the current daily high over here. So now I want to see the market, okay, take out this daily high. You understand? Retrace back, even if it's 50% or anything, retrace back, and I'll be looking for buys. Yeah. So although this is a downtrend overall, from the clear picture, it's a downtrend, right? But there is a break of structure. Once it breaks this daily high, you can notice there is an immediate break of structure, right? You wait for the pullback, you enter a buy. So this is just a framework I'm looking for to enter a buy on Euro USD currently, right? I don't really have to indicate much or explain much. So, but that's what I'm looking out for currently overall. You understand? Because liquidity has been taken from the monthly lows already. Weekly highs has been tested. Yeah, and weekly high has been tested, and it served as a strong resistance, right? Strong resistance that pulled the market down. So I want to see a break. Once the market breaks this, retrace down, then I'll be looking for buys. You understand? So that is it for now on Euro USD. So this is how I actually view or you understand your daily bias. Overall, there is buy side liquidity up here that has not been taken out, right? But sell side has been taken out already. So the next place the market is heading to is the buy side. You don't really expect the market to come like down here unless there's any strong fundamentals on news. But going down to the small hour time frame, or you can see some refinement, you can actually take some trades. This is the overall picture. This might take months to happen. I believe the market might take months to go up to here. You understand? You don't really expect it to happen immediately. So the market can actually be ranging gradually, but definitely liquidity over here must be taken, even if the market wants to continue going lower. So overall, going to the lower time frame, there are other strategies or what to look out for to trade or enter a trade, to get some quick scalp and make your money daily. So trading the New York session is highly advisable, and understanding it is key. Okay, so I'm just giving you daily bias. Okay, I'm not really teaching you how to catch trades or catch moves or catch pips. And for me currently, I don't really trade on Mondays, right? So but this is the forward time frame. So let me assume I want to take a trade right now. What will I do? So I'll just drive down from the 1 hour time frame, right? So just teaching you, like, this is not really what is in my context, but I want to show you guys, right? As been I want to take a trade. This sell trade, I believe I took this sell trade, and it was like how did I actually get to enter this sell trade, right? So as you can see from here, the market actually made a high over here, right? And remember, this high broke a structure. This is a break of structure, then throw back down. So I want to see a break on this one. So when we start forming higher highs and higher lows, then I know we are in an uptrend. You understand? Now without this low being broken, when we break this high and retrace, without this low being broken, I'll definitely be bullish. You understand? Well, I don't really know. Let me explain further, right? So now this is a high, okay? High, and this is a low. This couldn't actually break this high, okay? Can call it swing failure, right? Didn't break any low, and it's also failed to break lower. You understand? It also failed to break lower. You understand? Showing bearishness. So, and from here it broke the high finally. You understand? This is a high, and this low didn't break lower also, and this is a low, right? So I want to see another high fall, okay? Then once I get to see another low that won't break this low, is confirmed what bullishness. You should be bullish, because looking for you to take out this high that has been created already. So the market actually moves like this. Is actually waiting and understanding market structure and price action to help a lot in this game, right? So currently I'm not taking any trade, right? But I want to show you guys if I I got this sell trade. There are many strategies and many things involved in taking a trade, right? So let me pull out my fib. So pulling out my fib retracement tools from this high to this low, right? From this high to this low, right? So you can see that the market traded, drop down, retraced over here, 0.79, drop down, couldn't still go lower, right? Retraced higher. So let's push our fib again. Fib is a very great tool. Oh, sorry. I don't really know what happened, bro. I guess I have to go back to trading view. Rotate, right? Yeah, fib is a very great tool. That is if you understand. It's not really what I'm teaching you. Then from this high, okay, this new high, from this low actually, because you're looking for sales, to this new high that was created, you can see using the 79% to take your profit, market rotates to the 79%. So if you are looking for a buy, should be here, and your stop loss should be here. So overall, market gives us an opportunity. Yeah, you just have to be wait and be patient enough. I don't really want to teach further or explain further. Okay, so I can actually do more video, and if you're looking, you have many questions, maybe I've already done the video on the channel, so also do well to check out the videos in our channel. You understand, to understand more overall, to understand more what is going on in the market. So as you can see, the market came down here now. Take this liquidity. The next place is definitely top here. So you buying from here to here is a cool buy, you understand? But it's not really large. It's not really big. And today is Monday. Today is Monday currently, so you don't expect much volatility in the market also. Yeah, today is Monday. So that is that for Euro USD. I don't really have time to check USD card right now. I have a sell trade running on USD card already. I have a sell trade, right? But it's pulling back now. So I want it to pull back to this zone, this particular zone, and continue selling. So if I wanted to add more trades now, I would have added more sales from here because it's already dropping, right? It's already dropping, and I want it to. Here is my taking as my take profit on USD card. But that is that, by the way. I also dropped this updates or this deal analysis on my Telegram channel, so do well to join our Telegram channel. The link is at the video description, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share. Okay, I'll be dropping more content. And if you have any question, comment on the comment section below, or you have any other video you want me to do, just type it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.